Hey guys, Concha here. Today I'm going to show you what I do every single day. So right now I just left my house and I'm going to go to Dunkin' Donuts, pick up some coffee, and go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check it out. So this guy right here is my favorite Dunkin' Donuts because it does have a drive-thru. The one that's closer to my house or to my work is actually, you gotta pull inside, and usually there's a long line of people inside. So with this guy here, I can just go to the drive-thru and get some coffee, get warmed up, and get my day started.
Good morning, may I help you?
Hi, good morning. Can I get a large coffee, cream and sugar? Extra cream, please.
Okay, extra than regular sugar, right?
Yep.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
Alright, you can drive up to the window.
Thank you. So now I have my coffee. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts. And as I'm driving to work, well, right now it's actually 8:26. I'm a little bit late. Well, we open at 9, but I'm always early. I'm always at the store by 8 o'clock, maybe a little before that. But I'm driving to work, and I have a message or a Snapchat from the Chevy dude, people from work, and then some people on Instagram. Shout out to the Chevy dude. He's a cool dude. Faulkner Shane, he's a coworker of mine, really cool person also. And Mohammed, thanks for the comment on Instagram. Guys, I love social media. But, oh, you know what? If you watch my other video, that's a Sunoco gas station from the other day. So right now I'm going to work. I don't know if you can see my work from here. I can't zoom in with the GoPro, so Faulkner Hyundai's all the way at the end on the left-hand side. You too, Chevy dude. What's in the back of Snapchat? Let's see. Happy Thursday! Done. Alright, so now I'm at the light. I have to make that U-turn here. If you're not from Philly, or even if you are, that's where the Nabisco company used to be at, where they made the cookies. It's no longer there. They're going to put a Super Wawa, I believe, and a Costco at their location. But this is where I make the U-turn. Some good cheesesteaks over there. We got, what's it called? Steve Steaks. And there's a pretty cool bar back there also, Union Tap. So shout out to them. Luke Oil's over there. Archbishop Ryan High School, down Conley Road, all the way down Conley to Academy. That's my high school. But, yep, still driving to work. Hey guys, good old Faulkner Hyundai. That's my job. That's where I work. And that's where I'll be going in a couple seconds. So here's my Elantra Sport. I just got to work. If you guys are not familiar with my hashtag, John Concha, look that up. You'll see a bunch of stuff on there about my racing and about my Hyundai stuff. But let's go inside to work. Here we are. Customers ask me all the time, how do we get cars in the showroom? So I'm going to show you real quick because we're putting in a new Tucson inside. Here's my coworker driving this beautiful car inside the showroom. And just like that, the car is going in. Here you can see my Genesis G80. And I have a couple other cars over here. Here's a problem with having two cars. I have a customer coming in to pick up his referral check, but I have the check in my other car, so I gotta run home real quick, go get that check. Here is the Elantra Sport once again. The check is in the Fiesta, so I gotta go home real quick, get the check, and come right back. There's the Fiesta. Alrighty, so I got the keys for the Fiesta, and headed back to work. Gotta make sure that check that for that customer's here. Where did I put it? There it is. There's a check. Kilo. Alrighty, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm back at work now. This time driving the Fiesta. I had to go home real quick to get the check from my customer for a referral check. But having two cars, I forgot I had it in this car this morning, so I took the Elantra to work. But that didn't work out because the check was in the other car. Alrighty, come on guys, let's go. Car is still for sale, so if you guys know anybody looking for a car, Ford Fiesta ST with like 6,400 miles on it, this car is available. Alright, well, back to work. There's a UPS delivery truck. So as a Riley fan, check out my cool lanyard I have for my car. Gives you wings. Red Bull Rallycross. I do have to wash that thing though. So I had to walk back to my car because I forgot to get the check. Oh man, the things that happen. Let's see. Here's a check. Alright, now we can walk in. Let's try it again. It's 5:04 today, and I sold the car. I'm taking this car back to detail. But before I go into detail, I'm just going to do a quick walk around so you can see what car I'm selling today. This is a Chevy Malibu. And I'm going to show you real quick. Here you have it. So right now it's going to go into detail. We're going to wash it up, clean it, and get it ready for delivery. So I sold the car, my customer just left, and now my coworker asked me to move a car for him because a lot of times it happens, customers come in looking for a car, and it's always usually the third one blocked in the line. So I'm going to move a car for my coworker, and then go back and relax on my computer for a little bit. Nah, I'm not going to relax. I have to see what phone calls I have to make, what emails I have to send before the end of the night, and then I'll be able to go home. Actually, let's go do a lap in the parking lot real quick. So I'm driving a Tucson right now. My customer just bought a Chevy Impala. Guy, really, it was a referral from one of my customers, Pete. But yeah, let's drive to the parking lot real quick. I'm sure if you guys see my other videos, you've gotten a tour of my dealership. I'm mumbling a little bit because it's too cold. It's 40 degrees, this car says, but it feels a lot colder than that right now. Let's do a lap real quick. So here's my Sonatas on the right hand side, some Santa Fe's on the left. My awesome service apartment. Let's do a lap here real quick. I'm not sure how the quality is going to be with this GoPro right now at nighttime, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Follow me around for one day with the GoPro. I can't really film a lot of the action with my customers because it's private information, but I can film a little bit of what I do during the day. So let's go park this car back in line. Helping out my coworker again. Check out this backup camera, really neat. Right now I'm driving the Tucson with the what package? This is the SE Plus. It's got the sunroof, the panoramic roof, and the backup camera and the backup sensors. So it's a neat package. Doink! Alrighty, here's the roof. And now I'm walking back to the other Tucson. I'm such a nice person. I get to help out my coworkers and have fun.
You have a call on 210. Joe, you have a call on 210.
Well, my name is not Joe, so that's not for me. Alrighty, let's start this one now. Reverse. Whoops, I went to neutral. Whoopsies. There we go. Done. Off. Get the keys, and we're out. Look at that. Beautiful Tucson. Here are some Genesis here. Genesis G80s. But we'll just walk by real quick. Woo! It's cold. There's my awesome service apartment. What do you guys think of the Kona? The Hyundai Kona, the new vehicle that came out with in the Hyundai lineup. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle. They start at $21,000. Actually, let's go look at the window sticker real quick. $21,875 for an all-wheel drive 2018 SE Kona. 25 in the city for fuel economy, 30 in a highway. It's a really cool car. What do you guys think? Here's my Santa Fe. Alrighty, let's go back inside. So it's finally time to eat my lunch that I ordered at 11 o'clock with my coworker Joe here. I had some food earlier, but let's try this out. Well, that's cold, so I gotta warm it up. Couple cars for some coworkers, and one that I moved earlier for myself. But I'm just doing a quick lot walk right now through the pre-owned inventory, so you guys can see I have a lot of cars here. Now, not only do I sell new Hyundai vehicles, but I also sell pre-owned cars. Now, the ones I have here, they are high-quality pre-owned vehicles. What that means is I'm not going to sell you a junker car. All these cars are recently inspected, so they go through our shop. Whatever the car needs, be it brakes, tires, rotors, suspension, windshield wiper fluid, whatever the car needs, we'll do it, fix it, and then put it up for sale. So here's a quick look at my inventory, and I'm going back to my desk. It's almost about that time. It's 8:16 right now. We close at 9, so I'll be going home shortly. My awesome coworker. Say hi to the camera, Tony.
How you doing, camera? How's your day? Come on out here and look at some of these cars. You got a hard-working salesman here. We have good cars, clean cars. Come on out.
Come on out, guys.
Have coffee.
All right, so what time is it? It is now 8:19, so we got 41 minutes to go before we get home, right?
41 minutes. We're over any bridge. Come up US 1 and pull right into the driveway. We'll greet you.
That we will. All right, guys. Part of my job today is to put new tape in the tape dispenser, right?
Yeah. Is there anything you don't do?
I do everything here, from cleaning dishes to putting tape in the thing. No, I don't clean dishes here. So this is what you do. Very simple. You pop this up, you put the tape in there, put that down, and voila, all done. It's now time to get home. It is 9 o'clock on the dot. Twitter 901. Here's some Velocitors, and you can see me walking to my car now. Gotta be careful because it's a lot of ice down here right now. Whew! Good day. Sold the car. Going home. Gotta do it all over again tomorrow. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video today of me at work. And if you guys like these videos, let me know. Comment below, and I'll be doing more of these for you guys. But if you don't like them, let me know, and I'll stop doing these. Woo! The good old Ford Fiesta. Again, this car is for sale. If you guys know anybody looking for a car, 6,300 miles or 6,400 miles. Well, let's see. Let's figure it out. So this car has right now 6541 miles. It's available. It's a Fiesta ST 2016. If you guys want it, let me know. And alright, I'll keep filming when I get home.